Welcome to TAT Hair Factory. At TAT Hair, we believe that quality begins at the source. Each bundle starts from hand-picked, 100% Vietnamese human hair. Every strand is then gently washed and treated, preserving the hair's natural softness and silky texture. From straight to curly, every shape and style is created with precision and skill, ensuring your hair looks flawless, feels natural, and lasts longer. Before shipping, every product goes through a strict quality check. For hair extensions, each bundle must meet the minimum weight of 100 grams, ensuring the perfect balance of volume and beauty. At TAT, quality is our core, saying no to synthetic blends, direct factory price, fast worldwide shipping, trusted by countless international customers. Our support team is available 24/7. From texture to color and length, we tailor every product to match exactly what our customers want.